We have come to the beautiful country of Holland. We're in the north and we're here at Dormac. Now Bas has shown us and taken us around some of his customers. Honestly, some of the things that they've said about this company and the relationship you have is incredible. But why have you brought me here?
Yeah, we are here in the north, which you already explained. We are here at the Dormac facility. We supply machines like the Spanish brands, but also CNC Solutions. And we work together with Dormac, it's also in this company, but also the robotics. And what we do, we supply our customers with the complete concepts, like one-hit machining.
Can I go inside?
Let's go.
So what is it you actually do here?
This is our facility and we make all the machines ready for the customer. So we add on like the Dormac air cleaners, we add on everything that the customer wants to have on this machine.
So why do you have to add on for the customer?
Because the demand of the customer is getting more and more. The quality of the knowledge, because the world is getting so fast with electronics, with technology, with software, it goes really fast. So sometimes our customer can't even follow it. So we add on a lot here, we make the machine ready that they can do the next step.
So it's a full solution.
Full solution, yeah, that's what we do.
And you've got some big machines on site.
We really have, yeah, this is where we started at Dormac and this is how we get big. We started a lot with the bigger machines, like the Puma lathe machines. And here's one we are just starting on, it's a FANUC machine. And this one is already almost ready for the customer.
So in the Netherlands, what trends are we seeing with regards to machines? Are these, I guess, exceptionally popular, your large turning centers?
Yeah. The large turning centers are still there because the customer really has big parts. And it's for us, it's the Puma series that's from the CNC Solutions. It's really high level. It's quality-wise, it's good. It's really powerful machine, but also accurate. So our customers still like the Puma machine.
What's happening in the Netherlands at the moment in terms of industries? What's popular?
They're still popular. We are selling the lathe machines, the standard lathe machines, but it's getting developed more and more because the customer doesn't want to change machines. They want to have one part from one machine and create it just in the same process.
One-hit machining.
One-hit machining again, yeah.
You know, I can really see you've got a good relationship with your customers.
Yeah, that's always our goal because we want to expand the knowledge of the customer, but also we want to grow together with the customer. It's never done on your own, you need them.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's why you've got your DTCs, isn't it? Your Dormac Technical Centers.
Right, yeah. We have Dormac Technical Centers because we think it's really important to have like a reference point. We have a showroom here. It's more like working showroom because the machines come in and out. But at this reference point, the DTC, we bring our customers there and the customers can talk with our customers face to face, technical things into the deep without us in between. We really like that they can talk technical to technical to get a good reference.
And there's a different trust. I guess they'll see you as selling the machine, but they're kind of doing that nicely for you because they're speaking openly and honestly.
They speak the same language.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, so another big machine.
And Puma as a mixed 3100 LS, it's a really big machine also in multitasking. So that's the next step. We were with the Puma 700. This is multitasking mill-turn machine from the CNC Solutions, including the QFOS controller from the CNC.
So this is your own controller?
This is a controller from the CNC Solutions, and it's a really good controller because there's a FANUC layer underneath. And for example, with this bigger machines, you really want to have CPS, collision protection system, to provide the customer with a little bit more safety with producing parts.
A mill turn's the future? What are you selling more of now?
Mill turn the demand is getting bigger and bigger because we are already seeing that people want to have a product that's completely finished on one machine. So if I need to place the product on the next machine, I also have a problem with the power grid because I can put one machine in the tool shop. Maybe I can't place two machines.
There's a lot to be said for keeping the component on the machine and off in one. I'm seeing a lot of your Dormac products dotted around.
Yeah. We're really proud of Dormac also because it helps us sell the machine even better. The environment systems that they sell is really into the process. We can help a customer with a coolant chiller. We can help them with everything around the machine that produce the parts even easier and better.
And you help the customer before they're purchasing a machine from yourselves as well, don't you? You help it with a lot more processes.
Yeah, we help them a lot. For example, if you're going to look at the bar feeder, they want to have continuous processing or making parts. We add on bar feeders to machines, but also we help them with programming. We help them with a lot of things like CAD/CAM things, like post-processing things, because it's really important to go for the next step.
Is it good for then DN Solutions to have people like yourselves? Because even though as a brand, they're so big and they offer so much, you kind of have that real kind of tightness, don't you, with your customer? We went there the other day and you know them so well, but you also want to grow with them, don't you? And you've got that personal touch.
Yeah, we really think the personal touch is the most important thing. Why? As a sales representative, you sell the first machine. The next machine is sold not by the sales guy, no. It's sold by the service people. And that's why it's really important to get this relationship on with these customers and work on it, because the world is really big, everybody has a good product, but the thing is, how do you place the machine in the world? That's the most important thing.
You love what you do.
I really like what I do, yeah.
Why?
Yeah, because it's a really cool world. You can make a part from zero to an end result. And a lot of people still think that a lot of parts that we use, like a mobile phone, it's just there, but it's not just there. By the machines, for example, of DN Solutions, we can make these parts and we can make it happen.
And I love the fact that you as a company offer so much that you're basically saying anything that you need producing or making, come to us. Like we can help you.
We can help you and we will never walk away.
You have you've looked after us, you have been amazing. The hospitality here has been incredible. We've tried literally everything from the Netherlands.
From cookie to bread, yeah, we did.
It's been a wonderful experience.
Thank
so
you.
If you've given that to us, I see it, that you give that to your customers, that service.
Yeah. I think that's something that Dormac stands for. We are not like the supplier of tools, we are long-term relationship, and we love our customers. We are really proud of our customers, and we can do this on our own. We need everybody around us, like partners, like machine suppliers, like DN Solutions. So it's really important for us as Dormac. Yeah.
You can see it.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Lyndsey.